Running a successful business in Rochester Hills requires more than just a strong product or service. It also depends on maintaining a safe, efficient, and well-functioning commercial space. From roofing and exterior maintenance to remodeling and general upkeep, commercial services play a vital role in keeping your property in top condition. While many businesses approach these services on a project-by-project basis, forming long-term partnerships with trusted providers can offer significant advantages. One of the most important benefits of a long-term partnership is consistency in quality. When you work with the same commercial service provider over time, they become familiar with your property, its unique needs, and your expectations. This familiarity leads to more accurate assessments, better planning, and consistent results. Instead of starting from scratch with a new contractor for every project, you benefit from a team that already understands your business and delivers reliable workmanship every time. Another key advantage is proactive maintenance and problem prevention. A long-term service partner doesn't just respond to issues, they help prevent them. Regular inspections and ongoing maintenance allow potential problems to be identified early, before they turn into costly repairs. For example, routine roof inspections can catch minor damage before it leads to leaks, while regular building maintenance can prevent wear and tear from affecting daily operations. Efficiency is also greatly improved with a trusted partner. When a service provider is already familiar with your building layout, systems, and past work, they can complete projects more quickly and effectively. This minimizes downtime and disruptions to your business, which is especially important for companies that rely on continuous operations. Whether it's a repair, upgrade, or renovation, having an established relationship ensures a smoother and more efficient process. Cost management is another important factor. While it may seem like switching providers for each project could save money, long-term partnerships often lead to better overall value. Trusted providers can offer more accurate estimates, help prioritize necessary work, and recommend cost-effective solutions. Over time, the savings from preventative maintenance and efficient project execution can outweigh any short-term cost differences. Communication is also stronger in long-term relationships. Working with the same commercial service provider builds trust and improves collaboration. You'll have a clear line of communication with a team that understands your goals and can respond quickly when needs arise. This level of responsiveness is especially valuable in urgent situations, where quick action can prevent further damage or operational delays. Another benefit is the ability to plan for the future. Long-term partners can help you develop a strategic maintenance and improvement plan for your property. Instead of reacting to issues as they occur, you can schedule upgrades and repairs in a way that aligns with your business goals and budget. This forward-thinking approach helps maintain your property's condition while supporting long-term growth. Safety and compliance are also enhanced through ongoing partnerships. Commercial properties must meet certain standards and regulations, and a reliable service provider can help ensure that your building remains compliant. Regular inspections, updates, and repairs contribute to a safer environment for employees, customers, and visitors. In addition to functionality, long-term partnerships can improve your property's appearance and professionalism. A well-maintained building reflects positively on your business and creates a better experience for clients and staff. From clean exteriors to well-kept interiors, consistent maintenance helps your business stand out in Rochester Hills' competitive market. Flexibility is another advantage. As your business evolves, your property needs may change. A long-term service provider can adapt to these changes, offering solutions that grow with your business. Whether you're expanding, renovating, or upgrading systems, having a trusted partner ensures continuity and support throughout the process. Finally, peace of mind is one of the most valuable benefits. Knowing that your property is in the hands of a dependable, experienced team allows you to focus on running your business. You won't have to worry about finding new contractors, managing multiple vendors, or dealing with unexpected issues alone. In the end, Long-term partnerships with Commercial Services in Rochester Hills provide more than just maintenance, they offer stability, efficiency, and strategic support. By building a lasting relationship with a trusted provider, businesses can protect their investment, improve operations, and create a more reliable and professional environment for years to come.